Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about array of pointers, part of programming in C course. An array of pointers is a data structure in C where each element in the array is a pointer. This type of data structure is useful in various scenarios, such as storing strings, dynamic memory allocation, and more. For example, consider the following code. In this example, we have three integer variables, a, b, and c, with values 10, 20, and 30 respectively. We have an array of pointers, ARR, with three elements, each element holding the address of one of the integer variables. The for loop iterates through the elements of the array and outputs the values stored at the addresses stored in the elements of the array. Array of pointers is a useful concept in C and can be used in various scenarios to achieve different results. However, they can also lead to complex and hard to debug code if not used carefully. It is important to understand the underlying concepts and use them appropriately. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.